Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting moment in this our class today. We are going to find the number of atoms that we have in 10 grams of sodium according to the question. So we know that um, 1 mole of any 1 mole is equal to 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. That is Avogadro's number, which is the number of units in 1 mole of any substance, the number of units in 1 mole of any substance. So that means 1 mole, just like when we want to represent a crate of egg, we say is what? 30 eggs. One crate is made up of 30 eggs. In this case, 1 mole is made up of 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. That is what Avogadro is trying to help us understand. So because of that, since we know that 1 mole is this, and then if 1 mole is that, remember there's a relationship there. That means 1 mole for a mole, let's say 1 mole now is the same thing as, for the molar mass, you can say the molar mass, that is a mass expressed in grams. And then for the molar volume, we still have, and then we'll talk about Avogadro's. So because of this relationship, mole is equal to that. 1 mole is also equal to 1 molar volume. Mole is also 1 mole is equal to that. In that case, for Avogadro's, in that case now, since 1 mole is equal to that, it also means that 23 grams, that is the molar mass now, is also equal to 23. 23 grams is equal to the same number of Avogadro's, since 23 grams is also equal to 1 mole, since it's equal to 1 mole. Now, for what we're looking for now is the one that we have, we're looking for the number of atoms in 10 grams, number of atoms in 10 grams. So since we know that 23 grams is equal to 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. So 10 grams now, 10 grams will then be 6.202 times 10 raised to the power 23 over 23 times 10 over 1. So what we have as the answer here will be 2.62 times 10 raised to the power 23. That's the number of atoms. You can say atoms. That is what we have in this case. So in this case now, we're able to find out the number of atoms that are present in 10 grams. That means with Avogadro's number, you can get the number of any atom present in any gram of any substance, since they have a common relationship. Based on what we have here now, you can see that all of them, they have a very exciting relationship there. So that happened to be the final answer that we have here, and I thank you so much for being a part of the class. And in our next In our next video, we are going to look at how we can calculate mass also, using the same Avogadro's number. That's what we're going to look at. And I would like you to like, share, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.